Hi, excuse me. Is this seat taken?
No, it isn't. Please, go ahead.
Thank you. My name is Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm David.
Nice to meet you too, David. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from Indonesia. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I'm here for work.
That's great. What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. And you?
I'm an English teacher.
Oh, that's interesting. I'd love to improve my English.
I'd be happy to help.
Thank you. It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.